All right, who is here on Desmond Gomez?
Gomez?
Good morning. Court is calling 2025 CR 007217, State versus Desmond DeBrian Gomez. Could I have parties announced?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Christian Vega for the defense.
And are you Desmond Gomez?
Yes.
All right. We are here for sentencing. Just one moment.
Look at the red.
All right, Mr. Savage, we're on the record. You're going to have to whisper. That's okay. All right, according to the plea paperwork, it says that you entered a plea of no contest to counts 1 and counts 3. Is that correct?
Yes, Judge. He was running a concurrent, it was a plea for concurrent deferred, and we were recalled for a TAP evaluation and a MIC evaluation.
No, I'm just wondering because the docket sheet says something different. So I just want to make sure that the paperwork is correct. So count 2 was waived?
I would have to look at it, Judge. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Let me see. Thank you.
Because I have count 2. Oh, I'm sorry. There are 2 case
Yes,
numbers.
2 and 1. That's
2 and 1. Thank you.
Thanks, Judge.
All right. So you entered a plea of no contest to counts 1, counts 2, and counts 3.
Yes, Judge.
All right. And it counts 1 and 3 are third-degree felonies. Count 2 is a state jail felony. And according to your plea bargain agreement, in each case, the state is recommending deferred adjudication. And just one moment. Do you have any objection to the court reviewing the information that probation has sent?
Oh, not at all, Judge.
Contreras. Contreras.
All right. Have both parties had a chance to review the mental health evaluation and the TAP evaluation?
Yes,
Any
Judge.
objections?
None.
All right. All right, so they're not recommending that he be placed on the mental health caseload. And then with regards to the TAP evaluation, they're recommending residential treatment. Did you want to address that, counsel?
Yes, Judge. Clearly, it's within your discretion. There's SAF with aftercare, intensive outpatient with aftercare, and in the event he either anxiety worsened or they, due to issues on probation, if there was ever a need for MIC placement, they said they'd reevaluate that. He does not have an extensive criminal history at all, but in addition, regarding drugs, if drugs were involved in the offense, he does admit to substance abuse, several serious drugs. I think he could benefit from some treatment, but he has never been on a probation before. So I think intensive outpatient could, I think that would be very beneficial to him. He's been in custody for quite some time. He's not bonded out, and maybe status could be held in abeyance while he does do intensive outpatient treatment.
Probation, what are you recommending as far as, I know the TAP evaluation is requesting residential treatment. What are you recommending? Are you in agreement with the lesser modality?
Judge. I think that he had put in on. I would be in agreement with the less modality, with the understanding if any positive plays or anything comes up that he would want to status.
All right. And then the other question I have, it mentions that his family's in Beeville.
He does have some family out there. Yes, Judge, but he also has a family in town.
So is he going to be remaining in Bexar County?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Desmond DeBrian Gomez.
All right. So I do remember your case. Now that you're before me, do you need a cough drop? Yes, actually. Thank you. Thank you. I tend to remember faces, then I can connect that to the facts that I recall. So, when is the last time you had any type of treatment for mental health issues?
Can't recall, like as far as inpatient or outpatient, I just have a normal family doctor that has given me antidepressants and other medications just throughout the past maybe 6 or 7 years. Sure.
All right. So when's the first time do you recall seeing a mental health doctor? How old were you?
No, probably like 10 years old.
Okay. Because, counsel, I'll tell you what, even though I know what the mental health people are saying, what I find concerning is your attempt to commit suicide in the vehicle.
Yes.
So are you having any contact with your children now or no?
I've been talking to them over the phone, but I haven't seen them in probably since before I had gotten arrested about 6 months ago.
All right. And who is your support system here in Bexar County?
In Bexar County, my grandmother, and I have 2 aunts that I talk to over here.
All right. How far did you go in school?
11th grade. And then that's when I had my daughter.
Mm-hmm.
And I just stopped going.
So have you worked on trying to obtain your GED?
Yeah.
And have you been successful with that or no?
Still in the process. I was in the process right now while in custody. And I've tried, but I've just really been hard for me.
All right. Have you had any type of employment before?
Yes, ma'am.
Doing what?
Survey.
Okay. So what I'm going to tell you is I'm going to do. I'm going to start you with outpatient treatment. And you're going to have to really communicate with your probation officer, because I'm going to grant your application for deferred adjudication. But these cases, if you're unsuccessful in deferred adjudication, and if a motion to revoke is filed, I'm not saying it could happen, I mean that it will happen, but on the state jail felony, you will be looking at 2 years in the state jail facility, and that's day for day. The other cases that are the other counts that are third degree felonies, you'd be looking at 10 years. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
So you're going to have to communicate with your probation officer, and your attorney will tell you in this court, if people are struggling with their drug addictions, all you have to do is let your probation officer know. And you know what's going to end up happening? If they tell me that you're using again, I'm going to receive a supplemental report from them. And they're going to tell me that you're testing positive for drugs. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to set it for a compliance hearing. I'm going to have you come in, and we're going to see. And maybe you need inpatient treatment. But if you do this thing and you disappear, that's going to be a major problem. You understand? All right. So this is what the court is going to do. Counts 1, 2, and 3 are to run concurrently. There's to be no contact with Olga Cisneros. The reason why I'm doing that is because all of this started because you all were in a fight.
Yes, Your Honor.
I may change that at some point in time, but for now, you need to focus on you. You understand?
Yes.
There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 45 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Take in consideration 2025 PF 13273. There's to be restitution, if any, to Juan Bertiz, Bertiz, James Trottie, Trottie. There's to be the MRT, anger management, 200 hours of community service restitution. The court is going to order parenting classes. Once that's completed, 100 hours will be deemed satisfied. The remaining 100 hours will be deemed satisfied if the defendant obtains his GED or trade school certification. I am going to order the parenting classes, the trade school or certification. That's up to you. Either you can get that done or either you can do 100 hours in the heat of San Antonio. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
There's to be intensive outpatient treatment with probation and a referral to Center for Healthcare Services and 60 sober meetings in 60 days. Probation, is there anything else? Thank you. field visits 1 time per month until further notice, and there's to be no residing with minors.
That's the name for one, for the rest, verify the last name,
Bertiz.
is Victor B's boy.
Oh, V as in Victor.
That's enough.
All right, and there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Is there anything else you need from the court to help you be successful on this probation?
I guess it's giving me everything the things that I need as well.
All right. If you need anything else, be sure and let the court know. Counsel, for some reason, I do not have a copy of the trial court certification.
Okay. We can do that.
So if you could just grab one for me, please.
Did you return for the probation, the sorts?
Oh, thank you. 5 years deferred adjudication.
Thank you.
It feels like it's a Monday. This is what happens when I leave for a certain amount of time. Do you know in some places people are on probation for life? I've never heard of such.
Sounds difficult.
And I'm sorry, Vashon, you need to write a letter of apology to James Trotty. You understand?
Yes, sure.
No one likes to be spit upon.
Yes, sure.
So, Ms. Abrams, he's going to write a letter of apology to James Trotty. And state if you have that dismissal for me. It's a 2025 PF 13273.
Oh, sorry, Chad. Got it myself.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, sir.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thanks,
You're
Judge.
welcome.